Welcome, and here's the home at 4452 Gibson Avenue. It's a 4-bed, 3 full bath, 2-story solid brick home, been recently renovated. Home is located on Bob Gibson Way. Street was renamed in honor of the legendary pitcher Bob Gibson. This here is looking east. Really nice row of brick homes on either side. Give you up front here. The entire structure's been painted blue. Looks really good with the white that pops. Beautiful bricks, archways. Nice crown up top. Does have a bay window off the back, which I'll show you. It's going to be our primary master suite back there. Coming back through this way. Got an alleyway here that's been gated off to the right. Stone foundation, and the brick walls going up, looking really good condition. Take you inside. Really nice vestibule entrance. The original wood. Really nice tall doors. Not the original door, but nicely updated. Coming inside. Staircase to the right leads us to second floor bedrooms. Nice foyer entrance. They added the can lighting, looks great. To our right here we have our living room. 2 nice, really tall, updated windows. Home was built in 1901. When originally constructed, it had fireplaces here to the left between the windows. They've since been abandoned. Really nice dining area here. We've got a little nook underneath the stairs. Nice open concept closet here. Really good storage. Coming through here, home does have 2 sets of staircases. I'll show you this one once we get upstairs. And walking back through here to my right, we do have a nice little nook over here. This has a really good storage closet, some built-in shelving. Good sized linen closet here for the main floor. And then coming back through, we do have a full bathroom on the main floor. Beautifully tiled shower here. Got good natural light here with the window. And coming back through, we've got our kitchen to the rear, which leads us to the backyard. Really good sized eating kitchen. You've got the bay window here that bumps out. Our primary suite bedroom is right above us. Looks really good. Here are quartz countertops. This looks really nice. Beautiful 42-inch cabinetry. Stainless steel appliances. And then here we've got some built-in cabinetry. And take a peek out back. It's a double deck system. So we got a deck here off the main. Nice. That's covered above. That's our balcony. And here it is fully privacy fenced. Have the California garage. Recently laid down grass seed, so we won't be walking on that. Brand new HVAC system. Did a really good job here. Coming back through. This area is really known for be close next to BJC WashU Medical Center. See a lot of grad students here. People studying to get their PhD or MD or JD. It's also just north of the Tower Grove Park Entertainment District. A lot of restaurants. Really nice staircase coming up. Total of 4 bedrooms, as I said earlier. We've got 3 here to my left. Really nice tall ceilings. Probably had a transom above here at one time. Smallest of the bedrooms, here over a foyer. See a lot of people open up this wall to the right and make this a giant walk-in closet. But as it serves today, it could be a good office, playroom, or just a really small bedroom compared to the other ones. Coming through here, facing the front. Again, really nice tall ceilings. It's nice they updated the windows to be tall as well. Good sized closet. These older homes, usually there would have been a pass-through between these two rooms here, leading into our other room that does have a fireplace, ornamental. Really nice back in the day. We had a fireplace upstairs and downstairs here. Mantle's been painted. Piece of drywall here, shutting that off with a flue vent. Again, really good lighting in here. Nice sized closets. We do have a linen closet here to my left. And then coming down the hallway, we've got the hallway bathroom. Really nice. They did a really great job here tiling, same as below downstairs. Got the gloss look here in tile. And walking back through, we have our owner's suite with the balcony. Really good look in the room. Kind of jumps out there. The wall to my right is structurally adjoining the wall to the left, so they touch each other, butt against each other, if you will. Coming in, we have our bathroom here, double sink. Really nice tiled floor. And here, as you can see in the mirror, they did a great job on this ceramic. Got the glass doors. Here you got a little storage, put some shelving in here, or some hooks. Then coming back through, we've got our balcony. Here we do have another nook as well. There we go. Really nice. This is facing south here. Give you a panoramic view. Really good if you're into growing plants. Great place to put some. It's always facing the southerly sun. Take you back through. It's got a very large, tall ceiling basement, stone foundation. There's two ways to walk out. One's to the side, which I'll show you here, coming down the rear staircase. Good lighting here. Turn the corner. We have our kitchen to the left there. And here, this door takes us to the side alleyway. And I'll show you what I meant by the two homes. This is obviously facing right to the south. This is really common in homes right around the turn of the century, 1900. Again, you can tell the brick here on both buildings look really good. And then facing here to the street, nice little walkway. Crown looks beautiful up top there. And coming back through, we've got the unfinished basement. It's in really good shape. The poured concrete here is great. You see the tuck pointing on the wall has been done really well. Updated HVAC system. Here's your furnace. And we checked out the AC in the back. It does have new PVC piping, which is good. When the home was first built, the plumbing was made out of clay. And here we've got the 200 amp electrical panel. So all the knob and tube wiring is gone, which is excellent. A lot of insurance companies have a hard time insuring now. And this will conclude our tour. Hope you enjoyed. Please check out the description below. And as always, please like and subscribe. Thank you.